Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix matchmaking error in Payday 3. So the launch of Starbreeze Studios, Payday 3 has had more than its fair share of problems. So how to fix matchmaking errors in Payday 3? Under normal circumstances, there are a few ways to deal with the matchmaking error if you get it. We're going to focus on things you can do at your end before talking about how to identify whether the problem is external to you and instead of problem with Starbreeze Studios and or Payday 3 itself. That being said, in most cases, you'll want to check if the problems are with the game first to save yourself from hassle. So first, update your game. In some cases, your instance of Payday 3 may not be loading properly due to being an outdated version. If your friends aren't having issues but you are, this could be the culprit. Though most services are good about updating your games automatically, next is to restart the game, computer, and Wi-Fi. It's a tried and true method, but in some cases, any of these three steps may fix the problem. This is, again, a good choice if other people don't seem to be having issues. But you are switching from Wi-Fi to a work connection, or talking to your ISP may also be worth trying. And then make sure your firewall isn't causing any issues. When playing online games, Windows Firewall has been known to cause problems. In the case of Payday 3 at launch, though it's unlikely that any of those methods will fix a problem for you, the game's launch has, as I mentioned earlier, been plagued by problems. I've seen a few people note that there are potential ways to work around the problem. One user on Reddit noted that starting the heist and then inviting friends it seems to work, though only for a limited time. To view with more information about these details, you can just visit this website. So that's it. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye!